Hey everybody, it's Dr. Goat once again. Today we have the LeMans behind us, and we're gonna be getting that out as long as she fires up. We did unhook the battery for the winter, so we're gonna be giving it a shot here real soon. Gonna get the cover off, check the oil, hook the battery up, and we'll see if she'll fire. Burnout just to end the video because I haven't really done much driving with it, and yeah, so that's gonna wrap this video up. I've been driving the car the past 3 days and absolutely loving it. I mean, I just love the feel of the car. It's totally different from any car nowadays. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I know a lot of people commented on the other video of it. A lot of people have good memories with these LeMans, and as always, please subscribe. I'll be making more videos of it, and I'll see you guys next time.